This is Piotr from Tapflow. I'm here today with our T50 diaphragm pump, one of our first models that you can find in so many factories. It's very flexible, there's a long history behind this product, but today we're going to take a look at something a bit bigger. Here's one of our pump systems that we call Tapflow Solutions. It's custom built to fit the existing site. It comes with a very robust frame, allowing for a helicopter installation. Safety first. This system will operate in an explosive atmosphere. We will monitor the temperature of the liquid, the pump and the motor. There is an overpressure protection and additional measurement of the suction and discharge line pressure. Our application requires very limited pulsation of the flow. To solve it, we have installed a set of 3 dedicated pulsation dampeners. They will limit the pulse, both on suction and discharge side of the pump. The heart of our system is a hose pump size PT60. It's a high-pressure pump. It can handle very abrasive, viscous and corrosive liquids. I mean, anything. It's self-priming and you can control it easily. Flexibility is one of our core values. If you look for a flexible service, custom-built pumps or even complete systems, get in touch with Tapflow. We handle the most demanding cases. All about your flow.